To solve the equation 4 sine theta minus 3 cosecant theta equals 0, the first thing you do is convert to sine. Remember, the cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. So, you get 4 sine theta minus 3 over cosecant theta, sine theta equals 0. Now you have to find a common denominator and simplify. The common denominator will be sine. So 4 sine theta times sine theta over sine theta minus 3 over sine theta equals 0. Simplify, and you get 4 sine theta minus 4 sine squared theta minus 3 over sine theta equals 0. If a fraction is equal to 0, then the numerator must be equal to 0 as well. Now you only have to deal with 4 sine squared theta minus 3 is equal to 0. In order to isolate the variable, you add 3 to both sides, which gives you 4 sine squared theta is equal to 3. Then you divide both sides by 4, and you get sine squared theta equals 3 over 4. Now you have to find the square root of both sides. Sine theta is equal to positive or negative square root of 3 over square root of 4, which is also equal to square root of 3 over 2. So sine theta is equal to positive or negative square root of 3 over 2. Consider solving two cases to find theta when theta is between 0 and 2 pi. Case 1, sine theta equals positive square root of 3 over 2. First, you draw the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. When you draw this, it is obvious that theta equals 60, because the sine of 60 is square root of 3 over 2. Now you draw, all students take calculus, and you know that for the positive answer to theta, it's going to be in the first two quadrants. You already found the one in the first quadrant, which is 60 degrees. In order to find the one in the second quadrant, you subtract 60 from 180, which gives you 120. Theta equals 60 over 120. Now, since the domain asks you for the answer in radians, you convert the two angles to radians, which gives you pi over 3 and 2 pi over 3. For the second case, sine theta equals negative square root of 3 over 2. You already know that theta equals 60. Now you only have to find the negative answers to the equation, which are going to be in the third and fourth quadrants. In order to find the answer in the third quadrant, you add 60 to 180, which is going to give you 240. Theta equals 240. And in order to find the second negative answer, you subtract 60 from 360, which gives you 300 degrees. Since the domain is in radians, you convert these two angles to radians as well, which is 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. In conclusion, the four solutions of 4 sine theta minus 3 cosecant theta equals 0 when the domain is between 0 and 2 pi are pi over 3, 2 pi over 3, 4 pi over 3, and 5 pi over 3.